Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel, and today I'm looking at an item that I purchased myself, and I have one of these enclosures and I wanted to show you I have another one. Now this is the M.2 SSD enclosure that supports 20 gigabytes per second max, only holds up to a 4 terabyte SSD card. So that's what that is. That's how that works. So I just want to open this one up and show you what it looks like and just give you my thoughts on the construction. It's really made very well, just to let you know. Different colors are available on this one here. They have like a rose gold. You can see here they have a silver and like a gray. I got the rose. I got the silver because that was the cheapest one at the time, which is fine. It doesn't really matter the color, honestly. We'll go to, doesn't matter. So let's take a quick look at it together. Open it up. I want to show you what it looks like. I want to show you what it comes with. This is the actual enclosure itself, made very nice light aluminum, which is nice. It does come with a screwdriver, which is cool, and it does come with a thermal heat shield, which is something you definitely will need. Put that to the side. And what's nice about this, it does come with the screwdriver. I think that's a nice touch. Here is the thermal connecting. You need this to add on to your SSD. Well, I'm going to get the SSD, I think in another few days. It's on back order. It's coming in, and you need to attach this to thermal to here to the SSD. Helps keep it cool. So that's what that is for. So that's important. You have to have all that. Also give you the tabs to hold down the SSD that comes in here, and a little manual. Again, I've had this before and absolutely recommend it 100%. So let's put this in here for now. Put that away for now. Let me just show you the actual enclosure real quick. Open this up. Let me just show you. And it's nice that they give you the screwdriver. I mean, that's a fantastic thing. I love that. They give you the screwdriver. Open this up real quick, and you can see here's the inside of it. Made very nicely. The SSD just slides in here. The enclosure, you add your heat shield, and the heat shield sits on the thermal in the back of this aluminum here. That way it keeps it cool. And I've had no issues, so I can't complain at all. Let's put that back right now. So definitely the way to go if you're looking to, for a fast drive and good speed. You want something like this. Close that up. The screwdriver. Hold that for the side right now. And also they give you a cable. Now the cable is universal cable. It's USB 3 and also USB-C. Open that up. And they give you an adapter, which is really nice. So that's cool. So open this up. You can see here is your adapter right here. USB-C or USB 3, either way you have. And this connects to the drive itself. So you pop this off the covers. This goes in here. And bam, you're good to go, just like that. So that's what it is. It's really simple to use. You can plug it in. Like I said, it works great. I've had no issues. I like the extra connection they give you here with the connector, which is nice. You can see that. And it works very well. Like I said, I've had it over a year, almost 2 years now, and I'm on my second one, and I never have a problem. So that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this quick demonstration, quick review. And when I get the card in, I'm going to install it, and I'll show you how to do that. I'll give you a close-up of the actual holder itself, the enclosure, and it gets warm. It does get warm when you're accessing that speed, and I'll do a speed test as well, and I'll show you how that works as well. But this is what it looks like. It's small, compact, and actually it works great. Now, we'll leave a link in the top right of your video. There is to go ahead and purchase that if you're interested. I do get a small commission, and it does help my channel out. It will not cost you any more at all. It just helps support my channel. So I hope I brought you some value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next review.